Guided Biofilm Therapy is the most innovative instrument on the market to maintain gum health and soft tissue health. And the more we're learning about the body-mouth connection, we want to be using the most innovative tools to help maintain a patient, help keep inflammation down. We already have incredibly talented hygienists. I feel that now that we have Guided Biofilm Therapy, they now have the finest instruments available.
GBT is an acronym and it stands for Guided Biofilm Therapy. And it's basically a new technology that's out there which allows us as hygienists to remove a lot more biofilm, or rather plaque, off the teeth. It gets below the gum line, it allows us to clean soft tissue, so in essence, you are getting the best type of cleaning out there possible because we're removing much more bacteria from the mouth.
The procedure was different. It was quicker than the usual process, and I had zero sensitivity, couldn't feel really anything that was happening, and my teeth feel super clean now. So with the procedure, they are able to show you where the buildup on your teeth is, and so that you can focus on that when you're cleaning your teeth moving forward. That was very helpful.
The powder is a erythritol sugar that is dissolving in the mouth, so it's not lingering sensation. Gives that sweet taste, but at the same time it reduces the cavities, periodontal disease-causing bacteria, and we can do way more efficient cleanings with very little sensitivities.
The new Guided Biofilm Therapy was a superior experience to what the traditional cleanings have been in the past. It was much more comfortable. So I'm one of those people who has really sensitive gums, and when I come to the dentist, it's always a little bit painful for me. And this was painless. It was really a way more comfortable experience.
Today was a very exciting day because it was live patient and personalized instruction. We've launched the equipment, trained on the equipment. We have incredibly talented hygienists, and we pride ourselves on personalized care. And Guided Biofilm Therapy fits very well into that overall picture because I believe we have the finest technology now available to maintain gum and bone health, which leads to better systemic health.